In this video, we will see how to fix the error ChromeDriver cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified when we are running the Selenium script from our computer. To fix this, at first click on the Apple menu and then choose System Preferences, and from the System Preferences window choose Security and Privacy. Once you are in the Security and Privacy, then we have to click on the General tab. From the General tab, we have to choose Allow Anyway the button. I am going to click here and then it will ask us the password. So I am going to type my password. You will type your own password and then you have to choose Modify Settings and then it will be fixed the error. Let's check whether it is able to fix it or not. I am going to run the Selenium script again, and this time we are seeing this type of window, and here there is a button Open. If we click Open, then the Selenium will control the browser and the browser will be opened, and that's it. In this way we can easily fix the error which we are getting before. Thank you for watching.